Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add reminders to iPhone lock screen and home screen. For that, firstly go to your reminders. Now here, set up yourself a reminder. For example, I'm going to set this up as a reminder for now. Now go back. Now at the screen, if you long press, at the top you can see plus sign icon. At the left, tap on that. And there you can see the reminders option. You need to tap on that. And now you can see that the reminder has been added to the widget. Now, in order to add it to the lock screen and home screen, you need to go to your settings. And there you can see the option wallpaper. Tap on that. And there you can see customize option. You can tap on that. And there you can see the option add widgets. Simply tap on that. Now here you need to search for reminders. And now you can see that the reminders has been added to your lock screen. Now simply tap on done at the top. And this is how you can add reminders to iPhone lock screen and home screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.